Today, we're going to create something new. A completely free AI video that looks just like a real film, web series, or drama. Imagine a horror mummy movie set in ancient times, a princess searching for priceless gold, a terrifying mummy, and evil spirits that bring a chilling, realistic horror story to life. With AI, you can easily make such cinematic films and series without spending anything. And don't worry about monetization. Many AI channels are already monetized and earning well. I watch two channels. One of them is monetized and the other is an AI channel that is also already monetized. When I open these two channels and copy-paste the video link, I can see that the channel is monetized. Its earnings are shown between 3.5K to 55K. So yes, channels like this are monetized right now. But always remember to create original content, not copy others. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to make a complete AI horror story film or series using free tools. So make sure to watch carefully, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. After that, paste this prompt. I will give you my YouTube description. Just copy and paste it. Once you paste the prompt, a short story script will appear. Now this is just a short story, but if we want a longer story, we simply type, "Give me a 400-word story." ChatGPT will then create the story for you. It all depends on you. If you want a long story or a short one, just tell ChatGPT the word length, and it will generate the story for you. After that, you need to write, "Please give me 10 detailed image prompts and add a mummy in 2 of these images." This will create all the scenes for you one by one. You can see how amazing the prompts are that it generates. Now, how can we make these images for free? For that, I will use 2 websites. For making AI images, the website we will use is Leonardo.ai. It's a very good website for creating AI images. First, open the website. Set the size to 16.9 and type Phoenix 1.0. After that, paste your prompt. In a few seconds, the image will start generating. You need to paste your prompts one by one. When you have pasted all of them, you will see that the images are created and they look amazing. This way, you can create AI images using 2 websites. If your Leonardo.ai credits are finished, you can use another website called Piclumen. This is also a very good and powerful AI image generator. When Leonardo.ai credits are used up, we switch to Piclumen. Just open the website, set the size to 16.9, then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, your image will be ready. You just need to keep copying and pasting the prompts one by one. With both websites, you can create AI images for free very easily. It's an excellent option for making high-quality images. This way, the AI images have been created. By using both websites, you can easily make AI images, and now the images are ready. Next, we will create AI voices for free. There is a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. It's one of the best tools for generating AI voices. You can use it completely free on unlimitedai.tools. This website also lets you make free AI images, but right now I'll show you how to generate voices. If you can't find the tool, just leave me a comment, and I'll share the link with you there. On this tool, you get free credits daily, so you can keep making voices without any problem. Believe me, it works really well. Now open the AI text-to-speech generator. Then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now I paste the text here and select any voice. There are many options, but the best one is Blaze Alex. For this demo, I'll just select any random voice to show you. Then, click Generate. And remember, this tool can generate up to 1,000 words at a time. So if your script is longer, you can split it into 4 parts and create the complete voice. Now the voice is ready. You can hear it clearly.
Their golden light trembling across Cleopatra's chamber walls. Before her lay an ancient...
This is how you can easily create an AI voice. And next we will move on to making an AI video. For creating AI videos, I will use 3 websites. With these websites, you can easily make AI videos every day. By using these 3 platforms, you can create 1 full video daily without any problem. The first website is called guardian.give. It's an amazing platform for creating AI videos. When you sign up, it gives you 300 free credits, which is enough to make around 10 videos. After that, it also provides daily free credits so you can continue making AI videos easily. Right now in my account, I have more than 3,200 credits because I have been logging in for many days. That's why I can create a lot of videos on this platform. The best part is, even if you don't use it every day, guardian.ai automatically keeps giving you daily credits. So over time, your credits will keep increasing, just like in my account. This makes guardian.ai one of the best websites for creating free AI videos. Now, let's create an AI video on this website. It's a very powerful platform for making videos. First, click on Create. Then, go to Upload and upload your first image. Next, paste the prompt, the same one we used for the first image, and click Generate. The video will start creating automatically. In the same way, you can upload another image, paste the prompt, and generate again. The website will take a little time, but soon your video will be ready. With this method, you can combine 2 or more clips together. This way, you can easily create a 10 to 15-minute AI video on this platform. The second website is called WEBSERIES.ai. This is an excellent platform for creating real cinematic AI videos very easily. When you sign up with a new Gmail account, it gives you 120 free credits. Earlier, it used to give only 80 credits, but now with a new login, you get 120, enough to create around 6 videos. After that, WEBSERIES also gives you daily free credits, which allow you to create up to 3 videos every day. So, WEBSERIES.ai is truly one of the best tools for making high-quality AI videos. Now, let's create a video on WEBSERIES.ai. First, click on the button, upload your first image, and paste the prompt. Then, click Generate. Each video costs about 20 credits. The video will start processing, and in a few moments, it will be ready. In the same way, you can upload another image, paste its prompt, and generate again. Just keep uploading your images and pasting the prompts one by one. The website will continue creating your videos. This way, you can also make AI videos for free using WEBSERIES.ai. Don't worry, I will show you how videos are made on all 3 websites. The third website is called Magician.ai, and it's another great platform for creating AI videos. When you sign up, it gives you 500 free credits. One big benefit of this website is that it can create videos up to 10 seconds long. To use it, simply open the site and click on Create. Then, click Upload, choose your image, and press the plus button. Now copy your prompt and paste it into the box. You can set the duration to 7 seconds or even extend it to 10 seconds. After that, click Generate, and your video will start processing. In just a short time, your video will be ready, and you'll see how amazing it looks. Now you can see that AI videos have been created on all 3 websites. As you can see, the results are amazing. The videos look really professional and high quality. For the final step, I will edit the video using CapCut. CapCut is an excellent video editing software. It's free, easy to use, and comes with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. I'll add my video here, apply some effects, and now the video is fully ready. As you can see, everything looks great. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, just leave me a comment and I'll reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Next time, I'll share another amazing method with you. Thanks again for watching.